All right, Algebra 2, here's a little cheat sheet for our transformations of a function. Here's the original function over here on the left, translated to the new function on the right. We're going to start with y equals x squared. If we want to move this function to the right 3, we're going to put parentheses around the x right here, keep the square on the outside, and for moving right, it's actually a minus 3. And then for moving left, we are adding. So it's kind of the opposite of what your brain might think. Moving up and down, we're starting with y equals x squared again. If we want to move up, we're keeping the x squared the same and then just tacking on a plus 3 on the outside, down 4, minus 4 over here. These are more of what your brain might think. So right and left is opposite. Up and down is what you would expect. Notice left and right is inside the parentheses with the x. It's also getting squared. And then on the outside, it's moving up and down. If we want to reflect a function across the x-axis, we are switching the signs on both the x and the number on the outside, both the slope and the y-intercept. And then if we're reflecting on the y, we are just switching the sign on the slope. So for reflecting on the x, we're multiplying -1 to both numbers. For reflecting on the y, we're just multiplying -1 to the slope. If we start with y equals x squared again, we want to vertically stretch it. So we're making it taller. We are going to put a coefficient of 3 if we want to vertically stretch it by 3. And then for a horizontal stretch, we're making it wider. If we want to horizontally stretch it by 4, we're going to multiply it by a fraction of 1 over that number, so 1/4. All these numbers in the middle were just kind of made up just so you could see, but they're just examples. Hopefully it helps.